While a parking brake is usually recognized as an essential in a manual vehicle, it should be considered just as important in an automatic transmission vehicle as well. So why do we have a parking brake on our automatic cars? No, it's not for these high-speed J-turns, although, I guess No, we're not going to get into that today. A parking brake is there to help the car while it is stopped and parked. It helps keep the transmission in place with a thing called a parking pawl, and it's a manual system that puts a stronger hold on the vehicle than simply putting it in park. The parking brake is a completely mechanical system that bypasses the hydraulic braking system to stop the car in an emergency or to keep it in place when parked. Now keep in mind, if the car is hit while parked, the parking brake will provide stability to the vehicle, and in most cases will prevent it from rolling away. Do not forget to disengage the parking brake before driving, as it can damage the entire braking system.